Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's brand new beautiful Mardi Gras. This particular category is a Carnival Corner Excel Suite. It's at the very front of the ship. They have them on both sides. We happen to be on the port side right now. Now I love this room for so many reasons. I love that it's a 2-room suite, perfect for families, and you get so many extras. Now keep in mind you can book this suite or any room or suite on harrtravel.com. You go right on there, you can access the interactive deck plans, and you can pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or family, and still get the signature Harr Travel service. Now this suite comes with all kinds of amenities. You're gonna get access to Loft 19. You also have that dedicated concierge line, priority reservations for all the specialty dinings. You're gonna have some upgraded in-room amenities and the complimentary bottomless bubbles soft drink package. Now let me show you what the suite's all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got an entryway. Make sure you put your card in the power saving device because that's gonna activate the lights and all of the plugs. Now, right here, we're in the living room. It's a really nice size. It's one of the largest in Carnival's fleet. You got this really nice couch right here, an extra large chaise lounger. I'm a big guy, I really appreciate that. This is essentially the second bedroom if you have more than 2 guests staying in the room. You've got the coffee table and chair. You have an extra large vanity that goes all the way across, small butler's pantry with wet bar right there. Underneath, you're gonna have a mini fridge. You have drawers and storage right here, and a large flat panel TV. Now it's interactive, you can see what's going on throughout the ship and watch television. Now keep in mind, this is one of 2 large flat panel TVs, another great touch when traveling with family. Over here, you'll find a vanity. It is backlit, so that'll light up. You can sit and get ready. Also, you can use it as a writing desk. And you have this fantastic charging station here, 3 US plugs and 4 USBs. Tucked in the corner, you're gonna find some storage. Of course, if you utilize this as a bedroom, it's nice to have that. I love that they have these shelves that you can customize depending on what your personal needs are. You're gonna have hanging storage, drawers that come out. Once again, another great convenient feature. Then underneath, this also pulls out as well. You've got more of the same tucked here in the corner. Now, as we head into the bedroom, I wanted to point out one of my all-time favorite features. It's a door. They've got this pocket door right here. I love my family and I love traveling with them, but having a little bit of extra privacy and separation is a really nice touch. Somebody can be sleeping in here and then watching television in the other room. You've got a floor-to-ceiling mirror right here, and then over on the side, you're gonna have a ton more storage, very similar to what we saw out in the living room. So these are gonna open up those shelves. You can customize them to the height you'd like. Hanging storage here all the way around, and then you're also going to have a safe. It's big enough for a small device, passports, wallets, things like that. Not quite big enough for a full-size laptop. Now let's check out the bed. So you've got a large bed here, extra comfy. They've got the pillow top mattress up here in the suite, upgraded linens. You've got a ton of room underneath to store your luggage. And these do separate out if you prefer the 2 twin configuration. You've got reading lamps on either side with USB charging stations, a really nice touch. You also have the nightstands there as well. Those will go in the middle if you separate the beds out. And there's also a US plug tucked right over there in the corner. I always bring a USB splitter so that I can plug one in and use multiple. Right across from the bed, you're gonna have a large flat panel TV. Once again, just like the one out there, it's interactive, and having the duplicates is a really nice fit. Now, as we head in, I just wanted to point out there's a door right here through the main living room. We're gonna head in this way into the master bathroom, and it's a split bathroom, which is really nice for that privacy. So right here, as I step in, you've got the toilet tucked in the corner. You've got a single vanity right here, storage underneath, magnifying mirror, a really large mirror in front. And then I'm gonna step into the shower just to show you how big it is. I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy. I love that I can spread out. You've got a massive rainforest shower head up above, shower wand, and I love these Swiss showers. I kind of call it a car wash shower. There's 4 extra jets. And you also have that upgraded Elemis bath amenities that you can utilize because it's in a suite. And then just in the corner, you have a shower wand, and you're also gonna have the clothesline. Now, one of the reasons you picked this particular suite are the incredible views. You've got the same views as the captain looking directly out the front of the ship. This entrance is from the living room. There's a second one that comes out from the master bedroom as well. I like that it's split like that because essentially it allows you to have the best of both worlds. Maybe you wake up early in the morning, somebody's sleeping in here. You can head out and enjoy your time. Now, first off, you're gonna have 2 chairs and a table tucked here in the corner. And then as we wrap around, you've got another table and 2 chairs. What I find is these suites are fantastic if you're going to be traveling with your family, or if you have a group on board, you can have friends come and hang out. Now, continuing around the corner here, you're gonna have more seating areas. I love the idea that you get the forward-facing views. You also get those quieter ones out to the side. So you've got a rocking chair right here. In fact, there's 2 of them. You've got a large lounger, 2 tables here where you can take advantage of that room service menu. Come out here, have a nice cup of coffee in the morning, or maybe a glass of wine or cocktail in the evening. Now, when you're ready to book your next suite, make sure you do it on harrtravel.com. Once again, you can take advantage of those interactive deck plans, book the exact room or suite that you want for you and your family, and take advantage of the Harr Travel signature service. Now, we greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you, your friends, family, or group to craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.